Hello, and welcome back to another exciting video of Sublimation Focus. In today's video, we will look at the best sublimation printer under $300. Sublimation printing is a great way to add designs, logos, and text to products like t-shirts, mugs, and other items. Each sublimation printer offers different features, so we'll help you pick the best one for your needs. We all know that printers can be expensive, but you don't have to worry about that with these budget-friendly options. To help you out, we've researched and narrowed the list to the best sublimation printer under $300. These sublimation printers are portable and affordable and can be used in any condition for everyday tasks. The sublimation printers are especially for users looking for a quality printer at an affordable price. We have also included the links to each sublimation printer in the description section so you can easily purchase them. The best part? The provided links are regularly updated in order to provide the best prices for you. So without further ado, let's begin! Number 1 is Epson EcoTank ET2720 SUPERTANK printer. The Epson EcoTank ET2720 SUPERTANK printer is an optimistic and vibrant choice for anyone looking for the best sublimation printer under $300. With its revolutionary cartridge-free printing system, you can save up to 80% compared to traditional ink cartridges. Imagine the incredible value and convenience of having up to 2 years of ink in the box, and every replacement ink set has the same benefit. This printer takes eco-friendliness to a new level, as one set of replacement ink bottles equals 80 individual cartridges. Say goodbye to unnecessary waste and hello to sustainability. The exclusive EcoFit bottle design ensures easy filling of each color, making the process a breeze. Setting up and navigating the printer is a joy, thanks to its user-friendly 1.44-inch color display. Plus, its compact and space-saving design seamlessly integrates into any environment. Whether printing essential documents or breathtaking borderless 4-inch by 6-inch photos, this printer delivers exceptional quality and clarity. And with its impressive 100-sheet paper capacity, you won't have to worry about refilling constantly. So if you like this printer, then check out the link in the description box to purchase it right now. Number 2 is HP SUPERTANK 7301 cartridge-free ink printer. Finding the perfect sublimation printer under $300 for busy lineages can be challenging in today's fast-paced world, where time is a precious commodity. But fear not, because the HP SUPERTANK 7301 wireless all-in-one cartridge-free ink printer is here to save the day. Bursting with features and fully loaded with savings, this printer is a game-changer. With the ability to print, copy, and scan, this printer covers all your family's needs. Say goodbye to the manual flipping of pages, thanks to its automatic two-sided printing feature. Plus, the 35-page automatic document feeder makes tackling those stacks of papers a breeze. But what truly sets this printer apart is its incredible cost efficiency. It comes with up to 2 years of original HP ink bottles, allowing you to print up to a staggering 8,000 color pages or 6,000 black pages straight out of the box. When it comes to exceptional print quality, this printer doesn't disappoint. Whether it's vivid color graphics, stunning photos, or crisp text, the HP SUPERTANK 7301 consistently delivers outstanding results. So if you are interested in this sublimation printer, then check out the link provided in the description to purchase it right now. Number 3 is Bools HP DeskJet 4155 E-Series printer. When finding the best sublimation printer under $300, the Bools HP DeskJet 4155 E-Series all-in-one wireless color printer takes the spotlight. This impressive machine is a true game-changer, offering a delightful blend of functionality and affordability. Setting up this printer is a breeze, making it a perfect fit for anyone seeking convenience. And let's remember the magic it performs with its fast multi-page scanning ability. The 35-page automatic document feeder ensures that even your most significant projects are handled efficiently, saving you time and energy. With its maximum print resolution of 4800 by 1200 optimized DPI, this printer guarantees sharp text and vibrant graphics that leap off the page. Its optical scan resolution of 1200 DPI ensures that every detail is captured when scanning documents up to 8.5 by 11.7 inches. Bools HP DeskJet 4155 E-Series all-in-one wireless color printer is the ultimate solution for all your printing needs. Whether you're a creative professional, a student with assignments to complete, or a busy individual with a mountain of paperwork, this printer has got you covered. So if you like this sublimation printer, then check out the link provided in the description to purchase it right now. Number 4 is Epson EcoTank ET4800 SUPERTANK printer. If you're on the hunt for the ultimate sublimation printer under $300, get ready for a fantastic printer that makes printing an exhilarating experience. Introducing the Epson EcoTank ET4800 wireless all-in-one cartridge-free SUPERTANK printer, the superstar of sublimation printing. With this printer, prepare to embark on a vibrant and creative journey. Say goodbye to the hassle of constantly changing cartridges and embrace the freedom of the SUPERTANK system. The EcoTank ET4800 comes packed with a 1X bottle of 522 black and 1X bottle each of 522 cyan, magenta, and yellow, ensuring you have everything you need to dive into your colorful projects. Don't let limited wear fool you, this certified refurbished beauty is ready. It's equipped with all the original accessories, and the 90-day limited hardware warranty gives you peace of mind. From stunning photographs to personalized gifts, this all-in-one printer does it all. Not only does the EcoTank ET4800 boast exceptional quality, but it also offers wireless connectivity, making printing a breeze from any corner of your creative space. Plus, the included manual and CD-ROM for product setup ensure you'll be up and running quickly. So if you are inquisitive about this sublimation printer, then check out the link provided in the description to purchase it right now. Number 5 is Canon PIXMA G6020 wireless printer. It introduced the ultimate printing companion to revolutionize your creative pursuits, the Canon PIXMA G6020 Megatank all-in-one printer. Say goodbye to the hassle of constantly replacing ink cartridges and embrace the ink savings of a lifetime. This printer offers exceptional value and delivers an ink saving of a whopping $1,175 with the included complete set of ink bottles and 2 bonus black bottles. Unleash your creativity with the G6020, a printer that can do everything. From printing and copying to scanning and seamless connectivity with your smartphone, tablet, and computer, this printer is a true powerhouse. Get ready to bring your memories to life with stunning borderless photos, whether a charming 3.5-inch by 3.5-inch square or a striking 8.5-inch by 11-inch letter size. And the best part? The Canon PIXMA G6020 Megatank all-in-one printer offers all these incredible features at an unbeatable price, making it the best sublimation printer for under $300. This printer will unleash creativity and elevate your printing experience with fun and exciting capabilities. Say hello to convenience, value, and top-notch performance with the Canon PIXMA G6020. So if you are interested in this sublimation printer, then check out the link provided in the description to purchase it right now. That's all from us in today's video. We hope you enjoyed this overview of the best sublimation printer under $300. If you want to purchase any of these best sublimation printers, then check out the link provided in the description box to get them right now. And if you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our Sublimation Focus channel for more awesome upcoming videos linked to printers.